Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Navigating the world of small business loans can be daunting. Luckily, resources like NAV can help streamline the process. This website, found at www.nav.com/small-business-loans, acts as a valuable hub, connecting entrepreneurs with potential funding options. Instead of spending countless hours researching various lenders and their requirements, NAV simplifies the search. Their platform provides a centralized location where you can explore different loan types, compare interest rates, and even pre-qualify without impacting your credit score. This pre-qualification process is crucial, allowing you to understand your borrowing potential before formally applying, saving you time and potential rejections. NAV services extend beyond simply showcasing loan options. They offer tools and resources to help you understand your business credit profile. Knowing your credit standing is essential for securing favorable loan terms. NAV provides insights into your business credit score and offers guidance on how to improve it. This empowers you to approach lenders with confidence, knowing where you stand and what steps you can take to strengthen your application. Furthermore, NAV can assist in identifying areas for improvement in your overall financial health, contributing to long-term business success. By partnering with multiple lenders, NAV offers a wide range of financing options, from traditional term loans to lines of credit and SBA loans. This variety ensures that you can find a loan product that aligns with your specific business needs and financial situation. Whether you're seeking capital for expansion, equipment purchases, or working capital, NAV can help you navigate the complexities of the lending landscape. They effectively act as your financial advocate, simplifying the often confusing process of securing funding. Exploring their website, www.nav.com/small-business-loans, is a valuable first step for any entrepreneur seeking financial assistance. Remember, securing the right financing can be instrumental in achieving your business goals, and NAV provides the resources and support to make that happen. So, take the first step towards securing your business's future and check out NAV today.